There are two kids growing up right now. One hears, money doesn't grow on trees. Save every penny. Work hard. Play it safe. Retire at 65. The other hears, money is a tool. Learn how to use it. Take smart risks. Own things. Buy back your time. Same world. Same schools. Two completely different financial destinies. And here's the kicker, it's not luck. It's not IQ. It's not inheritance. It's mindset. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 wealth-building mindset shifts rich parents teach their kids that poor and middle-class families don't. And don't worry, this isn't about blame. It's about awareness. Because what you don't know can cost you. Fire like this video if you're ready to upgrade your financial mindset. Brain subscribe if you believe success is taught, not inherited. Speech balloon comment. Mindset equals money? If you're breaking the cycle, alright. Let's get into it. Section 1. The real inheritance. You've probably heard this before. Most wealthy people inherited their money. But here's what they really inherited. Not cash, not cars. They inherited a framework. A mental operating system that says, talk about money, build instead of consume. Time is worth more than money. Assets first, lifestyle second. Meanwhile, most families, especially those stuck in survival mode, pass down a completely different script. Money is tight. Don't talk about money. It's rude. Get a safe job. Don't take risks. Buy what makes you look successful. Sound familiar? Let's break it down, side by side, so you can see the difference. Section 2 to 7 Mindset shifts rich kids are taught. Light bulb 1 Money is a game. Learn the rules. Poor mindset. Money is stressful. Complicated. You either have it or you don't. Rich mindset. Money is a game. Learn the rules early. Practice. Get good at it. Brain-rich families gamify money. Monopoly at age 7. Side hustles at 12. Investing basics before 18. They talk about profit, risk, tax, value. Money isn't scary to them, it's familiar. Light bulb 2 Time. Money. Poor mindset. The harder I work, the more I deserve. Rich mindset. The less I work, the smarter my systems should be. Rich kids are taught. Use money to buy back time. Automate tasks. Focus on leverage, not labor. You can always earn more money. But once your time is gone, that's it. Light bulb 3 Failure equals tuition. Poor mindset. Mistakes are embarrassing. Avoid them. Rich mindset. Failure is tuition. You pay for it, so you might as well learn from it. Family man, woman, girl, boy. Rich kids are taught. Take risks, try new ideas, fail fast, then analyze what happened. Failure isn't final. It's feedback. Light bulb 4 Talk about money. Even when it's awkward. Poor mindset. Talking about money causes fights or feels greedy. Rich mindset. Talking about money is how you understand it. Rich parents break it down. Credit scores, compound interest, why the car lease is dumb, and the real estate deal is genius. They normalize the uncomfortable, and that creates clarity. Light bulb 5 Buy assets first. Flex later. Poor mindset. I need to look successful now. Rich mindset. I'll build wealth quietly. The lifestyle can wait. Brick rich kids are taught to buy cash flowing assets, delay gratification, let money work first, then enjoy the fruits. Lambos don't build empires, but empires buy Lambos. Light bulb 6 Network. Resume. Poor mindset. If I work hard and keep my head down, I'll be noticed. Rich mindset. If I build relationships, I'll create opportunities. Rich kids learn how to network, how to pitch, how to get in the right room and add value when they get there. It's not who you know, it's who knows you, and what you bring to the table. Light bulb 7 Don't work for money. Make it work for you. Poor mindset. Get a job. Get paid. Try not to get fired. Rich mindset. Build ownership. Own the income streams. They're taught. Jobs are fine, but they're launchpads, not final destinations. Build businesses by equity. Multiply income streams. Bullseye money isn't something they chase. It's something they deploy. Section 3. Mindset reboot. If you didn't grow up learning any of this, welcome to your upgrade. You weren't given the playbook, but now you're reading it. And more importantly, you can write your own. Pushpin talk about money. Pushpin study how wealth works. Pushpin play the long game. You don't need a rich parent. You just need a rich mindset and a reason to change. Tag, you're it. If this video helped flip a switch, thumbs up, smash that like button, brain subscribe if you want to build the wealth your kids won't need to recover from speech balloon. Comment, mindset equals money, asterisk asterisk. So I know you're not just watching, you're waking up, because in 2025, the real divide isn't rich versus poor, it's programmed versus aware. Let's stay aware. Let's stay building.